Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3 of our mini demo series. I'm Gannon with Automation Intellect, and I'm excited to talk to you today about bottleneck identification and reduction. So what is a bottleneck? A bottleneck is a point in the production process that cannot keep up or is causing a hindrance to the production operation. In the graphic on the right, you can see that machine 1 and machine 2 both feed into machine 3. If machine 3 cannot keep up with the production of both machine 1 and machine 2, it is the potential for a bottleneck and could be causing a hindrance to the manufacturing operation. Bottlenecks can be caused from a variety of reasons, including lack of machine equality, missing communication, or even lack of labor or resources. The biggest takeaway, though, when discussing bottlenecks is they can be a drastic hindrance to your operation and can affect your production, your safety, and even your revenue. From Automation Intellect's tile and fault analysis view, it paints a clear picture into where the bottleneck of a manufacturing process may exist. In the use case below, you see that two machines flow into the circled asset. With the circled asset having the lowest OEE on the production line, it's a good opportunity that the machine could be a bottleneck source. We could also reference the fault analysis view of Automation Intellect to further investigate this potential. Once we've identified the potential source of the bottleneck, we can then investigate the asset as we mentioned earlier, conduct a root cause analysis event as we discussed in our previous mini demo series, and finally, drive corrective action from our findings through the DMAIC or the Plan, Do, Check, Act process. Bottlenecks can be hidden in your organization or process, but finding them can save production, safety, and even revenue for your organization. If you're interested in talking with the Automation Intellect team about bottlenecks or OEE, we would love to speak with you at automationintellect.com or through LinkedIn. I look forward to seeing everyone on next week's mini demo series.